Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a spotlight halo eyes. Is it halo eyes or halo eyes? Which one is it? Anyways, we are just going to be doing a spotlight eyes, and let's move into the video. But before we do, if you're new here, I'm Jhosfine and we need you to join the family. If you haven't already, kindly hit on the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I upload, okay? I'm going to moisturize my lips because I feel like my lips feels dry. Moving on into the eyes, I'm going to prime my lids and I'm using the Zaron concealer. I'm going to blend it out. So I'm going to put this shade in my crease, but I'm going to apply it on the outer and inner parts in the form of like a half circle. I'm going to be picking up this shade Flawless. I'm going to be putting it above the eyeshadow. I'm blending the first eyeshadow together with the second one. I'm going to be picking up this orange shade and blend the edges out with it. Okay, so that is blended out, so I'm going to go back in and use the first two shades just to build up the shades a bit more. So I'm going to cut my crease now. I'm just going to cut the middle part, just this side of the lid, to create the spotlight halo eye. I just damped the concealer on so that I know how I'm going to cut it and where to cut. So now I'm just going to define it a bit more. Okay, so I'm done cutting my lid and I'm going to use the concealer buffer to buff out the concealer a bit more and take off the excess product as well. I'm going to be taking a tissue now and then just clean off some of the product on the concealer buffer, just to get rid of the excess product on it, and then go back into the eyes and just blend the edges of the concealer. That way you're not transferring too much product there, but you're just blending the concealer together with the eyeshadow, okay? You can clean up the brush again before you move into the other eyes, but if you think it's okay, you can just go in and just blend I'm going to be using this shade, the second shade I used, and then just pat it on the outer and inner part of the lid. I'm going to be placing this off-white shade called Stuck in the middle of the lid. You can go ahead and leave it like this, but I just want to add a little bit of extra something to it. So I'm going to be using this Inglot Pure Pigment eyeshadow. This is how it looks like, and this is in the shade 76. I'm picking up a little bit on the same brush, and I'm just going to pat that in. The same to this eye as well. I feel like this eye looks better than this one, but anyways, moving away from the eyes, I'm going to be mixing these two foundations, Beyond Beauty and Design Dose. I'm going to be using the Pineapple Cosmetics Concealer. This is in the shade Apricot. I'm just applying it on the regular places underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and blend it out. Time to set all this liquid in place, and I'm using the powder from Flawless Ivy palette. This is in the shade Nutmeg. Setting the foundation in place with the shade Chocolate from the same Flawless Ivy palette. I'm going to bronze using the Beyond Beauty Face Definer, the bronzer, and this is in the shade BB15. I'm blushing up with the blush from the Flawless Ivy palette. Using a highlighter from the same palette called Summer. The palette is huge. I can't keep bringing it back and forth to show you guys what I'm using. That's why I'm telling you guys the names of the products. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going to use the burgundy shade right here. And blend it out with the orange shade. I'm going to use a little bit of the pigment I used on the lid in the tear duct, just to brighten up that side a bit more. Applying mascara. I'm going to be using this nude shade from Empress Cosmetics. Just putting a little bit right here. Blend it out. Oh, this is vibrant. And top up with the gloss. Okay, so I'm going to put my lashes on off camera, fix my hair, and be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the final look of our Spotlight Halo Eyes. I really love how this look turned out. Did you guys like it? Leave comments on what you think about this look in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did really enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Kindly join the family, okay? Please do subscribe. Hit on the subscribe button and also the notification bell that comes after you subscribe. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.